After striking Ukraine with hypersonic and long-range weapons, Russian forces launched follow-up aerial attacks on Kyiv. A Russian drone hit the upper floors of a residential apartment building in the capital, causing a large fire and heavy structural damage. The building was occupied at the time of impact. Ukrainian officials confirmed civilian casualties, with people killed and injured, including emergency responders who arrived after the initial strike. Several nearby buildings were also damaged, and power and heating were disrupted during freezing winter conditions. Kyiv's air defenses were active, but some drones penetrated and reached civilian areas. Ukrainian authorities say the strike had no military value and was aimed at spreading fear among civilians. After the strike on a residential apartment building in Kyiv, Ukrainian emergency services moved in immediately to rescue civilians and secure the area. Firefighters battled flames on the upper floors, while search and rescue teams evacuated residents and searched through debris for survivors. Medics treated the injured on site as utilities crews worked to cut gas and stabilize the damaged structure. Police and rescue workers cleared rubble, secured nearby buildings, and restored access for emergency vehicles.